God.
No.
Are you recording me?
Yes, I am.
Oh,
Come on.
no.
Making my food, damn it. I think the water's been...
Make your own damn food.
Oh, you're so funny. Oh, you're so gay. Can you forget the music and... I don't want to listen to anything. I want to see those noodles in this pot.
Hope you drop it
now. No.
Oh, I can't find it.
Hey, the language. Your mother might see this. It is going on your page. Come on, I've been recording for 50 for a whole minute, and you haven't even gotten my food yet.
It's not even boiling yet. Shush. Oh, not that song.
Oh, I'm about to cuss you out.
Why? What's wrong with this song? I can't find it. It's Spanish.
I'm hungry. Oh, she's jiggling it. Do it again.
Wait, Miss.
Oh, she makes me mad. I'm hungry. She's sitting here,
It's gotta boil.
starting the music, and I'm hungry. I don't care. I'm hungry. See, Mom? Mom, you see her on the counter? Do you see this? Do you see this?
All the time.
Oh. Anyway.
Would you? Oh shit! I thought you were thinking that.
No. Okay. Yes. Okay.
You made me mess up my song.
They're so not boiling. Like, I'm so hungry. Don't do that. Don't do that. See yourself? Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh, it's sexy. What?
I know you do.
What?
Why you're my baby.
Definitely.
Yes, huh? Yes, huh?
Why can't I find my song?
I don't know.
Why are you? Oh. Mwah.
Now mommy knows that, yes, okay? It's just a peck, nothing more.
Yeah.
Can we change this? I mean, what are we listening to?
Oh. Your song is hilarious. What song would you like to listen to? Please tell me.
Not this shit.
Well, I would.
Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to cuss. Shut up. Like, you can just say the F-bomb. The F-bomb. She wants to take forever. When I'm done, when my food is done being cooked, we'll probably make another video.
Peace out.
Deuces.